Much love, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be chatting with you about frizzy locks. Do I have frizzy locks? What's up with frizzy locks? So definitely stay tuned. Like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. All right, so what is the deal with frizzy locks? What's up with frizzy locks? This is another one of those things that I did not realize was an issue until I came on YouTube and I started, posting videos and also looking at more videos. And I saw that frizzy locks was like a big thing for some people, combating them. How do you stay away from frizzy locks and all of that? So first off, I want to say that I, started and maintained my daughter's locks for 5 years, and her locks, looking back on them, looking at her pictures, whatever, her locks were definitively frizzy. It was semi-free form. We did, start off with twists, but from there it was like twisting whenever, they were pulling too much on her at the root or whatever. I just never realized like locks being frizzy was something some people didn't want or was like a thing through her whole journey. I just, she had frizzy locks, hands down. For me, at the beginning of mine, I still didn't realize that until a little bit later. Now I'm seeing like it's something some people are combating. I kind of don't know if I have frizzy locks or not. I'm going to show you guys and you can kind of judge for yourself. But maybe even like hers were definitely definitively frizzy as a semi-free former. But for me, I'm kind of like, they're frizzy, they're not. But I actually, I don't want all like formed locks all looking the same, all uniform. I do not want all uniform locks, so I'm okay with them being frizzy. You guys know, if you've been with me before, that I do not twist or retwist all the way down the length of my hair. I do not put products on the length of my hair because I want to keep some of that kind of wild freeness about it. I don't ever want to lose that. So I don't know if as my locks mature, if I will just automatically lose that, but I'm hoping not. So I'm going to show you what my locks look like. Some people ask me, are they still frizzy? Are they not? And I kind of don't be knowing what to say, So you judge for yourself or look for yourself. And this is, mind you, I'm coming up on 2 months since my last retwist. So I have not retwisted in that long. Also, I've been washing like crazy because it's really warm here. We've been back and forth to the beach, all that stuff, hiking, walking, running. So I'm washing often without a retwist. So I'm sure that's, fuzzing me out even more. I love it. I'm loving how my hair is looking. So not an issue for me, but I guess if there was a spectrum, I would be on the frizzy spectrum. So now what to do if you have frizzy locks and you don't want them? I will say do the opposite of what I do, which is twist down when you do your retwist or someone does your retwist. Twist down the length of the lock. Twist down the length of the lock all the way down. When I'm doing it, I just, up here and boom, that's it. You're going to want to retwist all the way down the length of the lock. I do not palm roll. That is, again, because I'm going for a more, wild, natural look. But for you, also, that's time I don't want to take, is doing something down the length of my head. But if you want to combat it, you also will maybe palm roll your locks to really get those hairs in, because frizziness is just loose hairs, poking out, looking out. They're not all the way in there. So you'll want to palm roll. Also products, that's the opposite of me. I do not use a lot of products or products down the length of my locks. So you would want to use, a gel or something like that to retwist your hair and go down the length, not just on your roots, but you'll want to go down the length. Now there is something I've seen people doing as I've fallen down into YouTube and Google land, is cutting the little hairs off so that it will be not frizzy, not fuzzy. That one, I mean, I don't really necessarily recommend any of those other ones, but that one, I would just say be very, very careful, because when you are doing that, I think they, cutting, pruning, whatever. When you are doing that, you're cutting off your hairs. They're your hairs, they're still there, you're cutting them off. So just be careful. I don't know how that goes if you do that. But any type of lock cutting, I would say be careful with that one. And then maybe for you also, the opposite of me, when you wash, do a retwist right away. Don't wash and then just go without your retwist, because then you're going to be fuzzier or frizzier as well. One other thing that you can try is to curl your locks. When I did my rag curls, it really compacted my locks. I was super surprised when they came out. Of course, they were curled, but the lock itself was really uniform and compact. So that's something to try. I'll link above to the rag curls, but before you try anything else, maybe try that and see if that works for you. I probably should have told you guys this at the beginning. For those of you who have not been with me before, I have been locked for 16 months. So if that helps you figure out frizz levels and all that good stuff, it has been 16 months. That is it. Oh, no, it's not it. I want to say one more thing, which is what I always say. No matter what stage your hair is in, if you're frizzy or not frizzy, please do enjoy it and rock it how it is right now. Enjoy it. So that is it for today. I post every 3 days, so I'll see you again in 3 days. All right. Bye.